Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wake Run Collapse. This is going to be a very sentimental opening for me. We're back with part 17 of my farewell party, which means we still got 2 more weeks of awesome booster boxes after today. You saw Temple of Anger yesterday, and definitely got some good stuff out of that. This booster box is from the set that started me on PokeTubing. I watched a PokeTuber who no longer uploads. His name was, at the time, Mr. 55771. I believe he now goes by XPaulJ, and he hasn't uploaded in at least a year, I think. But when he opened box 2 of this particular set, it's the video that I watched over and over and over, and it showcased the cards that I had to have for myself. And it ended up being the very first booster box that I opened when I started collecting, way before I started PokeTubing. So without further ado, we're going to open up this booster box of Japanese Hail Blizzard. This is the one that got me started, so I'm going to absolutely take my time on this. If this ends up being a 20-minute video, I don't care, because I want to properly document and give kudos to the set that started me on collecting, really. It's not the first booster box I've opened from anything. I used to open booster boxes from Overpower cards, which was like in the Marvel universe. You know, before Marvel became all friggin' over the place with the Avengers movies and stuff like that. And I used to open Star Wars customizable card game boxes with my brother and a friend of his. But this is definitely my first box of Pokemon cards, and it's so nice to come back to it after all this time. It's a beautiful box art. Unfortunately, the 2 boxes are unlimited. They are not first edition, but that's quite alright with me because I don't actually care that much. Apart from the slightly added value of first edition cards, I don't really mind them being unlimited edition. Oh, it's so nice to come back. I feel like I'm home now, opening the very first booster box that I've ever opened. So 20 awesome packs with this great Kyuremon here. In my first booster box of Hail Blizzard, I was able to pull a Kyurem EX full art, as well as Kyurem EX and Groudon EX. So did really, really well that time around. So hoping to get some good stuff here. And what a way to start it off with this Raichu. Such a colorful card. Really, really nice. Here we have a Kirlia. That's sweet as well. Petilil. Riolu. Looks like he's waiting for the bus or for a friend. And a Beartic. Every pack's going to be a great pack, guys. Just really in love with this set. It's so great. Top to bottom. Okay, here we have a Simi Sage. I mean, even the monkeys look decent in this set, you know? Vanillish. Tranquil. Litwick. And a Holo Zapdos. How about that? Such a beautiful card. All the Holos and EXs that you see will be for trade or sale. I'm mostly looking for the Regigigas full art, which I have not gotten in my collection yet, as well as any of the shinies. Though I'm not really holding out hope for it. I think the shinies in this set are Chandelure and maybe Emboar. I'm pretty positive on Chandelure, but I don't know about the other one. I think this is Silon. Yep, there we go. I didn't look up the trainer cards ahead of time. I might miss a few of them. Pawniard. Darumaka. Pansage. And a Darmanitan. It's so funny going back through this and thinking of Mr. 55771's video and thinking of the comments that he made, because I've watched the video probably 20 or 30 times. Talking about how Darmanitan looked like he was trying to take a poop or something. Just what I've always associated with it. And that is an amazing uncommon Hippowdon. Such a great setting for that card. Hippopotas. Cubchoo. Growlithe, I know there'll be fans of this card out there. And a Gardevoir Holo. Very nice. I have so few cards for sale or trade from Hail Blizzard and Psycho Drive because I've opened so little of it. that this is definitely going to boost my coffers for being able to move some stuff from these sets. And even if I don't, I mean, the artwork is so great, I'm very happy to, you know, keep it forever. Here we have a Lilligant, Elgium, Pidove, Deerling, and a Cryogonal. Man, even though I already have a Groudon full art, it's probably my favorite card, so I'd probably lose my mind if I pulled another one. That would just be out of sight. Amoonguss, Pikachu. Pikachu is the first card from my first booster box. Sneasel, Wigglytuff, and a double colorless energy. Nice. Hoping for my first EX out of this pack. That would definitely be something special. And you'll notice there are no leaflets in this set. Here we have another Cryogonal, Vanillish, Growlithe, Deerling, and how about that, a Regigigas EX. Such a lovely card, definitely underrated given that given that Kyurem and Groudon are in this set. Kyogre is in Psycho Drive. But it definitely gets overlooked, and it's so beautiful. It was actually the EX I was missing when I first opened this, so I had to buy it. But it's a gorgeous card. It's so nice. Obviously, you can see the great reflective properties of the Japanese cards. Always looking great. Excellent. Let's keep it going, guys. Alright, here we have a Beheeyem. Another Elgium, so that's funny. Fungus is really cute. Another Darumaka. And a Hollow Bisharp. Very cool. And another great example of how the use of an angle on a certain card can make all the difference in making decent artwork look great. And this is definitely it. Looks very cool. Here we have another Simisage, Kirlia, Pawniard, Pansage, and a Lapras. So nice. What a great card. You know, only opening one box of this, I'm now realizing that Hail Blizzard might actually be my favorite set. It might not be one of the more recent ones in black and white. It might be this one. Bronzong, Litwick, Jigglypuff, Hippopotas, and a Hollow Arcanine. Love it. Definitely interesting to see Arcanine, you know, just roaming free and not being like the super, like, pseudo-legendary that they always display him as being. In this case, just being just a wild Pokemon, you know? Just running free. I think it's pretty cool. Definitely fingers crossed for a full art or shining out of one of my 2 boxes of Hail Blizzard, even if it's not this one. Love for it to be the next one. Another Hippowdon, Bronzor, Vanillite, Ralts, and this is Heavy Ball, I believe. Do we see a 3 in there? Yep, there's a 3, so that means retreat cost of 3 or more, which I believe means Heavy Ball. Glad I haven't butchered any of those trainers yet. Here we have a Sawsbuck. That's cool. Looks very nice. Riolu, Pidove, Petilil, and whoa, Groudon EX. What a great surprise. Usually I catch like an inkling of the borders on the side before I see a card like this, but This is beautiful. This is my second that is up for sale or trade. You can see the rarity symbol down there, but what an amazing card. I did pick one up in a BCBM of a big lot of EXs and full arts a while back. So this card will be up for sale or trade, but it is very sweet. Because of the awesomeness of the Groudon EX, it might command a little bit more value to get off my hands, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I'm always open to hearing offers. Such a great card. Next pack, we have a Raichu, Tranquil, Lampent, another Cubchoo, and a Holo Chandelure. Score. Definitely would love to pull the shiny version, but there is no control over that, so I'm just going to appreciate this holo. Nice. Yeah, I know I've been getting a little bit better at cutting the time down on my openings, but these first boxes of Hail Blizzard and Psycho Drive, gonna take a while. Alright, we have another Sawsbuck, Pikachu, Sneasel, hoping to pull a Weavile somewhere, Riolu, and hey, there's the Weavile. Love this card. Was this a non-holo rare in English, maybe? And it's just an uncommon in Japanese, because they don't have non-holo rares in these sets. So beautiful. I was just about to sleeve it. What am I doing? I already have that in my collection. I only sleeve the holos, so. I usually store the duplicate common uncommons. If I haven't mentioned so already, I usually store them in the box from which they were opened. Just cuts down on room for me. Double colorless energy, Cubchoo, Tranquil, Elgium, and a Holo Lucario. That looks great. It's definitely a different choice of artwork. It's a bit different from how they did the Bisharp, but it absolutely works for Lucario. It's a great card. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like I got two more holos to pull out of here, and a big mess of packs over here as well. Alright, another Beartic, Petilil, Pidove, Vanillite, and I believe this is Pokemon Center. Yep, that's Pokemon Center, nice. Let's see. Yep, so that would have been the fourth and the 16th pack, as Mr. 55771 used to do. He used to always check pack number 4 and pack number 16. So when he pulled, I guess when he pulled full arts from some of the older sets, that's where he pulled them from, so we'd always check those packs. Hoping it's not the case here and I get one in an atypical pack, like this one, pack 17. Unpheasant, Rotz, Litwick, Bronzor, and a Kyurem EX. So while this guarantees no full art or shining, being able to pull 3 EXs out of a box of Hail Blizzard is stupendous. Especially when the EXs are of this great quality. Both being Japanese and being from the set. So amazing. And I know a lot of people have started to see this card more and more from the English sets and from EX Battle Boost, which was opened, well, at this point it would have been about a month ago on YouTube. Still amazing to see this card in its original form. Awesome. So I think there's one more holo in this box. This great 3 EX box. So I'm hoping it's an Articuno, but I'm not positive. There may be additional holos or rares in here that I'm not thinking of right now, but I think Articuno's in this one. Another Lilligant, Lampent, Fungus, Wigglytuff, oh, and Vanillux. Very nice. Maybe Articuno is in Psycho Drive. But this is a great card as well. And definitely caught Vanillux in the moment, you know what I mean? That's really cool. Alright, 2 packs to go, guys. There shouldn't be anything in here at all, actually. There shouldn't be at all. I'm going to screw around and open these by hand. Because why not? Let's have a little bit of fun. And, yeah. There you go. I quarter-capitated the Kyurem on the front, and that's why I don't tend to do these things. That would be the card trick, I guess. Anyways, Heavy Ball, Poniard, Darumaka, Kirlia, and an Amoonguss. And we're going to struggle like hell to open this last pack of Hail Blizzard, just for the fun of it. I have 0, basically. Yep. There goes another one. Let's see how awfully we can open this. Yep. 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 Oh, ooh, very nice. Oh. Oh. Yeah! Congratulations me. No need for card trick at this point. Hippopotas, Vanillalish, Deerling, Cryogonal, and a Behem. So after that pack monstrosity that you just witnessed, I would love to show you a quick recap of my pulls from this delightful Hail Blizzard box. Very enjoyable for me to come back and collect these cards. Let's check them out. We have Vanilluxe, Kyurem EX, Lucario, Chandelure, Groudon EX, Arcanine, Bisharp, Regigigas EX, Gardevoir, and Zapdos. So while there were no full arts or shinings in this box, it was still tremendous, and I really enjoyed coming back to check it out. So like this video if you enjoyed it as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with another booster box. You know what? Why did I even have to say that? Why am I talking to myself? I should stop the video.